Hi guys! Welcome back for another vlog. So, ang vlog na ito ay about attending the annual staff party for 2025 ng Dacia de Mascat. So, ito ay kakatapos ko lang magbihis. At ako ay magbubook ng taxi kasi hindi ako sasama dun sa ibang staff na nasa hotel bus papunta dun sa venue. At kami ay magta-taxi kasama ng isa ko pang colleague dito sa company. So, yan. Nagbihis kasi ako dahil una yung suot ko is beige. Kaya lang, hindi siya bumagay dito sa jacket ko. Kaya nagbihis ako ng black kasi para all black na lang siya. So, tara at mag-book tayo ng taxi. So, dumating na yung aking binook na taxi. Kaya naman, pupunta na kami dun kasi late na kami. Ang party kasi is nag-start ng 6:30. Ngayon ay 7 o'clock na. So, late na tayo guys. So yan, labasan na. So yan yung taxi. This is casual. Casual, brother?
Yes. Casual?
This casual looks?
Only because I'm wearing only palitan ko ako.
So say hi. You will be on the YouTube, okay?
Yan pala.
Gary was not looking after that bus. He was just keep on sending me message. When are we going? When are we going?
Anong oras tayo uuwi?
Mga 11:30.
Ang aga-aga pa no?
Ay, hindi pwede. Tinawagan nga ako na amo ko eh.
Na?
Ay ba nandun daw ako? Dito ang hotel niyan. Yan ang Marriott. Ito ata. Pero maganda sa malayo. Kasi ayun ata ang exhibition eh. Alam ko exhibition center yan.
This area no taxi?
No, there is yeah, there is taxi here but you can book later. Crown Plaza, yes, OCAC. Yes, we are here at Marriott now. Yes, baka makahanap tayo ng dito ng Filipino. Hindi, maghanap ako ng somewhere na pwedeng ano. Okay, this is OCAC, right? That blue one. Ganda ng entrance. Kaya ang ganda niyang i-ano eh, i-video eh. Mag-picture muna tayo dito.
Sige, sige.
Oo, diba? Here only enough. So ito yung Marriott Hotel. Yan yung entrance, fountain. And ayun yung amo ko. Ayan ang amo ko. Hi boss.
Sawadee ka.
Naku, Thailand. Ito yung entrance.
Dito.
Kaya maganda ito oh.
Dito dia dyan.
Ang ganda ng ano nila oh. Ano na naman yan?
Sige na, sige na.
Sandali lang. Pero di kakugulo tayo dito. So ito yung vlog na ang ending nag-CR yung mga tao. Saan daw yun? Bakit yung mukha natin nakuha ko? Tingnan, ang ganda ng mga chandelier dito.
Maganda pa nga dito. Sige na, isa.
So this is the garden of Marriott. Ganda ng garden. Ayun yung ano, exhibition center. Oh. Yes. So hindi pa rin natatapos yung kanyang mushroom serie.
Gusto ko yung gano'n, no? Yung mixing yung gano'n ako.
Ano yan?
Pwede yung
Masquerade. Masquerade ba? Masquerade ball sabi. Ayan yung ano. So ayan, nandito ako. Habang naghihintay dun sa nag-washroom. So ito yung hallway papunta dun sa labas. Pupunta na ako dun sa event place. Hi!
Hi,
This
hello.
is the engineering staff here, our painters team. See, no one is saying hi. Say hi.
Hello.
Everyone, hi. You will see yourself in YouTube, okay? In my channel.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So ito po yung mga nagmumuni-muni sa gabi dahil po siya daw po ay nasaktan.
Hindi kami nasaktan.
Sinilaan. Dito muna tayo sa kanilang foods.
Tanungan natin yung ano, makakonek tayo doon sa kanya.
Hindi, meron yan. Public. Public.
Yes. Magsasign in.
Maganda yung ano nila. Bakit ganun? Ano naman ito kasi? O diba? Ini mas bagay yung suot ko na black na ganito.
Thank you all of you. All my colleagues with the honored Claytor, and I can never say how much I'm proud of this man. Well done. I know that Ahmed is on the way because we have to work on shift. The hotel is still running with approximately 100 guests today, so we need to take care here. I'm sure that the future will be only brighter. We are not going that far away. As you may know, we are opening also a company in Oman, in the Sultanate, and we will try to establish and to be present with more hotels in this region. So I will be focusing a little bit more on that road, and it's an opportunity for all of us to grow, like many of you have grown with me, but many further will grow further in the future.
I've mentioned 27 years. I don't know how. I'm only 24, my friend. I'm very surprised. Anyway, I would like to thank you very much for the great welcome I've received in the last 3-4 days, and I'm really proud. I'm lucky to have the opportunity to work with such dynamic and unique team. I'm sure today we're celebrating the last year achievement. Well done, and I'm sure next year we will even celebrate more achievements. With your dedication, with your hard work, I'm sure we will do more. I would like to take this opportunity to really thank Ms. Adil, thank His Highness, thank all the board members for giving me the trust, and hopefully I will be able to deliver even more what we have achieved last year with your help and support.
Pala yung birds na sinasabi. Wala niya, akala ko nung bird. Hinahanap ko kung nasaan punta. Hindi, ano yung performer? So pagkatapos lang mag-dinner, nandito ko ngayon sa may tawag dito, parang swing na maliit. And nag-waiting pa kami sa next na part ng program. So yan lang. Yan ang buffet.
that's good or not. Half of the house is engineering, half of the house is IT, half of the house procurement is raising his hand, half of the house is Mr. Ali Abdul Rasool, half of the house is finance, half of the house is HR, half of the house is radio.
Who do you think it is? Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you front of house 2024 Employee of the Year, El Mustafa.
Former police, sir. Okay, sir. Hold, then right, and then the cutting catch button. Yes. It's up to you. If you want to throw. Okay? Okay! Everyone listen. Here's my power, okay? At the 1, 2, 3 nothing. Shout as in scream, okay? Like, now please scream at the cut. Okay? Doesn't scream, doesn't shout. Okay? Ready? Okay, ready? Okay, sir, come here, please. What happened to your hand? Catch up, catch up. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you.
So yan, tapos na yung event and pauwi na kami. Yan naman, nagre-ready na ako, naghihintay na ako sa mga kasama ko. And that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlogs. Bye!